Right, ladies and gentlemen, good morning everybody. Here in video where I want to explain how to simplify the exercise 70, where you get some higher powers inside the brackets and outside the brackets. So let me just have a look at the first one, exercise A. 3a squared, need to multiply it with a to the power 4 plus 2a. Alright, step number 1 is to multiply it with 3a to the power 4, so that's 3a to the power of 6. And step number 2 is 3a squared multiplying with the 2a. So that's 3 times 2 is a positive 6, and a squared times a is a to the power of 3. So that's exercise A. B, 5a multiplying with a to the power of 3 minus 2a is equal with 5a multiplying with a squared is 5a to the power of 4. Then 5a multiplying with minus 2a, and that's minus 10 because 5 times minus 2 is minus 10, and then a squared, because a times a is a squared. Always look if you can simplify the end answer, but we can't with 5a to the power 4 minus 10a squared because they are not, they aren't equal terms. So next one, minus 3a squared, and then a minus 2. Now, minus 3a squared times a is minus 3a to the power of 3. And minus 3a squared times minus 2. Minus 3 times minus 2 is a positive 6. And then just a squared. And that's it. Exercise D. A to the power of 3 multiplying with a to the power of 5 minus a to the power of 4. Step number 1 is a to the power of 3 multiplying with a to the power of 5, and that's a to the power of 8. And then a to the power of 3 multiplying with minus a to the power of 4 is minus a to the power of 7. And that's the answer. Exercise E. I'm gonna do exercise E over here and have more space. A to the power of 3 multiplying with 2a minus 1 plus a squared multiplying with a squared minus 3a. Alright, so in one assignment, 2 brackets. Let me do the first one. A to the power of 3 times 2a is 2a to the power of 4. Then a to the power of 3 multiplying with minus 1 is minus a to the power of 3. We do immediately the next one. A squared times a squared is a positive a to the power of 4, because in front of the a squared there's a 1 and even there, so 1 times 1 is 1. So a to the power of 4. Then a squared multiplied with minus 3a is minus 3a to the power of 3. Because a squared times a is a to the power of 3. Alright, step number 2. After you multiplying out all the brackets, we need to find the equal terms. So 2a to the power of 4 is equal with a to the power of 4. And minus a to the power of 3 is equal with, or is a like term with minus 3a to the power of 3. So 2a to the power of 4 plus a to the power of 4 is 3a to the power of 4. And minus a to the power of 3 minus 3a is to the power of 3 is minus 4a to the power of 3. And that's the answer. And then the last one, exercise F. A squared times a to the power of 3 minus 2a minus a to the power 4 multiplying with a minus 1. So a squared times a to the power 3 is a to the power 5. A squared multiplying with minus 2a is minus 2a to the power 3. Minus a to the power 4 times a is minus a to the power 5. And minus a to the power 4 multiplied with minus 1 is a positive a to the power 4. The equal terms, a to the power 5 and minus a to the power 5 is already 0. And minus 2a to the power 3 is just a lone term, so we can write down minus 2a to the power 3. And even with the last one, a to the power 4 is just very lonely, so we just write down a to the power 4. So the answer is minus 2a to the power 3 plus a to the power 4. And those are the answers from exercise 17.